Oops, I'm sorry, buddy. Can you start again?
Construction work. I am a construction worker.
Okay, can you tell us any tools you use?
A hammer.
A hammer, okay. Anything else?
A wrench.
Wrench. What about that thing you're holding?
A house. Hard hat.
Why would a construction worker need that?
To protect their head.
Very good. And any other tools? What about that other thing you're wearing? Is that a tool?
No.
Why does a construction worker need it though? Even if they don't use it to build, why do they need to wear that? What color is it, Oliver?
Orange.
Is orange easy to see or hard to see?
Easy.
Why would we want a construction worker to be easy to see? Why don't they wear camouflage? Does anyone want to help out Oliver? Why do you think a construction worker would wear an orange vest, Lucas?
Logan.
So you know that they're a construction worker.
Okay, and Logan, why is it orange and not like blended?
So, like if they're on a house working in it, and you think it's done because it looks like it, that you need to see them so you know it's not done yet.
And construction workers that work on roads, they also wear orange so the cars can see them. So it's easy for them to see. Oliver, how does a construction worker help the community? No, just Oliver, let him answer. He knows this one.
By building skyscrapers.
Building skyscrapers? Anything else they build?
Playgrounds.
Playgrounds? Yeah, lots of different things.
So you don't just have
Important things for the community. Do you know anything interesting? Do you know anything interesting about your job? About a construction worker?
No.
No? You ready for your question?
Yes.
All right, you can pick someone now.
Why do construction workers need a heart?
To protect their head from anything that falls down high.
What's something that might fall on them if they're building a house?
Bricks.
What if they're just building a playground? What could fall on them? Could anything fall on them? What about the guy that's making the monkey bars? Could the monkey bars fall if they didn't get put up right? Yeah. All right, thank you.